Hi, myself Suraj Yadav. Today we are talking about collection framework. Uh, Collection in Java. Any group of individual objects which are represent a single unit is known as the collection of the object. In Java, separate framework named as collection collection framework has been defined in JDK 1.2, which hold all the collection classes and interface in it. The collection interface Java util collection and map interface Java util map. There are two main root interface of the Java collection classes. Now we're talking about what is the framework. A framework is a set of classes and interfaces which provides ready-made architectures in order to implement a new feature or class. There are no need to define a framework. However, an optimal object-oriented design always include a framework with the collection of classes such that all the classes perform same kind of task. Need for a separate collection framework. Before the collection framework has introduced the standard method for grouping Java objects where arrays or vectors or hash tables. This collection had no common interface. There are through the main aim of all the collection in the same implementation of all collection was defining independently and had no correction among them, and also it is very difficult for users to remember all the different method and syntax and constructor present in every collection. The advantages of the collection framework. First one is framework. Since the lack of collection framework gave rise to above set of disadvantages, the following are the advantages of the collection framework. Consistent API. The API has a basic set of interfaces like a collection, set, list, or map. All the classes that implement these interfaces on some common set of method. Uh, Reduce programming effort. A programmer doesn't have worry about the reason of the collection, but rather he can focus on the best use in the program. Therefore, the basic concept of the object-oriented program abstraction has been successfully implemented. Increases program speed and quality. The increases performance by providing high performance implementation of useful data structure and algorithm, because in this case the programmer need not think of the best implementation of the specific data structure. He can simply use of the best implementation and drastically boost the performance of the algorithm hierarchical of the collection framework. The utility package contains all the classes and interfaces that are required by the collection framework. The collection frameworks contain an interface name and iterable interface which provides the iterator through all the collection. This interface is extended by the main collection interface, which act as a root for the collection framing, or the collection extend this collection interface, thereby extending the properties of the iterator and the method of the interface. The following figure iterator of the hierarchical collection. This is the collection framework in the Java. Thank you so much.